So it all started back in 2015. I was freshly out of my undergrad and I was looking for some motivation. It all started with this one case, a 6-month-old child with a complex heart defect. That not only changed his life but also our lives. It was time for a new era in the Indian healthcare ecosystem.
So 3D printing technology is more than 30 years old, and its prototyping and batch manufacturing benefits are now well established in the sector. But the exploration of this technology in the healthcare sector for its capabilities, its materials, is probably one of the best applications for this technology, which truly defines mass customization.
Imagine being able to hold the anatomy of the patient in your hand, a life-sized heart or a kidney or a liver or a brain or a spine. Study it, understand it thoroughly and use it to communicate with the patient, plan the surgical procedures, customize surgical tools and implants to give the patient a truly personalized approach. This is what we do. We personalize healthcare.
We do this by working directly on the patient's CT and MRI scans to extract patient anatomy and 3D print this model, which provides the medical team more information about the patient. This is then also used to design various customized medical devices, such as perfectly fitting implants and pre-planned osteotomy guides, together allowing a precise surgical outcome for the patient. Based on the final application of the medical team and using a variety of additive manufacturing technologies, which is a layer-by-layer deposition of materials, we bring the anatomy and medical devices to life. Various specializations benefit from this technology. We understand that and provide the right solution to the medical team. This not only allows for patient-specific customization, but has shown potential to play a vital role in the education and training of budding surgeons through access to rare, real-life case studies and practicing on the same. This prepares them for their future responsibilities and enables them to reduce their learning curve.
We'll set up a point-of-care 3D printing lab, which will have all the necessary software, hardware, and most importantly, experienced designers to cater to all the requirements generated from the lab efficiently with reduced turnaround time directly on site. Looking at the enthusiasm of the management to set up such a point-of-care lab is a proof of the value such customization can bring to the table. We are really excited to play a role of a mediator which will enable access to the technology to the patients of not just this center but everyone who wishes to avail it.
We are a multidisciplinary team of highly experienced and innovative biomedical, biotech, mechanical, electrical engineers with a combined vision of revolutionizing healthcare through customized medical devices.
So we've learnt on the field, we've created our own ways. We have grown to understand clinical language with the help of some very passionate clinicians who believed in us and guided us. What we are aiming with all of this is to propagate innovation by bridging the gap between these engineers and surgeons.
We have always believed in our core fundamentals, which is giving the optimum solutions. So we have integrated our knowledge on additive manufacturing and traditional manufacturing technologies to cater to the expectation and needs of our customers.
We have gone through a lots of ups and downs, seen the industry grow, diversified with it, constantly evolving it and expanding not just in India but globally. This probably is the most satisfying and intellectually rewarding phase of our lives until now. And I'm sure the best is yet to come.